Hello there, welcome everybody, it's Diorama Don here. So a few videos ago I made these cardboard panther tanks. If you're interested then please refer to that video. I bought a plastic Tamiya kit, took the dimensions and made these cardboard versions of a panther tank. So we've got 3 panther tanks here. And I also made this Sherman tank, again with cardboard. So I want to utilise the 3 Panthers and the Sherman all in one diorama. So the title of the diorama will be Ambushed. And I want the 3 Panthers bursting through a building. This will be the street. And then a building with the 3 Panthers bursting through to ambush the... to ambush the Sherman. That's right. So what I've done, using 2mm cardboard, I've worked out the size of the 3 Panthers that will be coming through the building like that, and then the Sherman will sit in the front like so. So that's generally the story of the diorama, if you like. So what I've got to do is make this into a building. So the thickness of the walls will be 1/2 inch, and I'll use polystyrene for that. So I'll cut around all these shapes. Well, stick the polystyrene on first, cut around all these shapes and the windows, the remaining windows, and then try to make it look more building-like. Maybe putting bricks on the front, or maybe stones. It'd be a lot easier making big stones. So I'll go ahead and do that. Try to make this look more into a building looking thing, and then fix it to the base like so. I've got the 2 sides of the building like that, and we'll see parts of the roof along the top there. Yeah, so I'll go and do that and come back, and we'll see where we go from there. Just a quick update then. Finished the building off. I put the sides on and fixed the polystyrene to the back to give the thickness of the walls, and then cut out these recesses and windows. Cut a few lollipop sticks or popsicle sticks just to represent what remains of the roof. Okay, so that's the building. Still haven't decided what to do on the front of the building. I think I might try something a little different. I shall cover it with PVA glue and then sprinkle sand over the top, which will give, well, the Americans call it stucco. UK would call it pebble dash kind of effect. So I'll try that, see what happens. May work, may not. So just sand and glue anyway, so we'll see how it turns out. So that's the building, and the base I've made into I've made it into a base, and just put a couple of pieces of polystyrene underneath, and then hacked away with a barbecue stick, and that will give an area then for the stricken Sherman tank to sit like that, with the building and the tanks behind. Okay, so I'll give it a coat now of watered down wall filler. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that and then finish the front of the building off. We'll see what that looks like, and then it'll be ready for fixing one to the other. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that and be back in just a little while. Pleased with the finish of the front of the building, the stucco or stucco effect, or pebble dash as we might call it. Just a layer of PVA glue, then sprinkle sand, shake off the excess, wait for that to dry, and then paint whatever colour. So I think it gives a reasonably good finish to the front of what might be a French farmhouse of the period. So all that the base I just covered with white wall filler, and then painted with grey tile grout. And now all that remains is to cover the whole area with debris. These are my terracotta colour bricks that I normally make from tile grout, dried tile grout, and this will all be crushed up and done, put over that area, and also round here where the bricks or the walls have been broken through. So I've got a lot of sticking to do, so I'll go ahead and do that, finish it off now, because once I've done that, that should be it, and I'll come back and we'll see what the finished thing looks like. So all finished now, fixed the building onto the base, and then covered the whole area with my broken bricks, so we've got debris everywhere, and then placed my tanks. So that's basically it. Very simple idea, I suppose, really. A bigger diorama than I would normally make. It takes up a bit of space, but nonetheless worth doing, I think. I think it looks okay. Okay, so I'll leave it with you. Thank you very much for watching. If you may have picked up any ideas, all well and good. If not, please subscribe to the channel. There will be new videos with different subjects coming up. So subscribe and click notify, and yeah, click everything. Click the thumbs up. If you click the thumbs down, you have to click that twice. Okay, that's what you have to do. Okay, so see you in the next video. And as always, I wish you the very best of happy modelling.